Place both hands in front of your chest. Cross your fingers. Turn palm facing up in front of your stomach. Shoulders, chest loose. Lift your hands by following through the center of your body. When they reach to your nose, rotating your palms outward. Between both thumbs, there is a hole. Eyes begins to peek through the hole. Push both hands up towards the sky. Eyes look through the hole. As you extend upward, inhale. Exhale when you lower your hands, chest loose. Inhale, stretch upward. Feel your both arms are fully extended and your chest, ribcage, spine is all stretched upward. Exhale, loosen up the chest, lower the hands. Inhale, expand upward, stretch your body. Exhale, lower the hands, body, chest, loose. Inhale, stretch upward. Exhale, lower the hands. And closed your fingers, shoulders down. Separate hand. We just learned the first exercise. The most important is to breathe naturally. When we learned the inhale and exhale, it's a feel. Don't force these feelings within yourself. And now we will practice the first movement. Close hands, finger cross, palms facing up. Lift both hands, passing through nose. Inhale, expand. Exhale, body's loose. Inhale, expand. Exhale, body loose. Inhale, expand. Exhale, body's loose. Inhale, expand. Exhale, body loose. And both hands closed. Shoulders down. Drop hands. Normally we practice 6 times, but for people who have stronger health, you may practice more repetitions. Then again, you have to feel comfortable when you exercise anything in Qigong. Now, after you practice for a while, your body will get stronger. And I would like to introduce to you the advanced versions of this exercise. Close the hands, cross fingers, place in front of your stomach. Lift, pass through nose, eyes look. As you expand towards the sky, lift your heel up and stand only on your toes. Inhale, exhale. Place your heel down. Inhale, lift your toes. Exhale. Inhale, lift up on your toes. Stretch your body. Exhale. Stand fly and body's loose. Inhale, lift on your toes. Exhale. This is the first versions of the advanced movement. The second one you can learn is place the foot flat. Inhale, stretch up like before. Exhale, bend at your waist and stretch one side of your body more. And inhale, body is upright. Exhale, lean to the side and stretch your body. Inhale, body upright. Exhale, lean to the side and stretch your body. Inhale, body upright. Exhale, stretch out to the side. And inhale, back to the center. Exhale, shoulder, chest down, hand closed. And drop both hands down to the side.